Sometimes in life, you must be the one who create your own happiness, though being alone. A bad teamwork is even worse than doing alone. Hands up if you've ever been sleepy after eating the lunch. At last, the thing making us wonder the most is memories. The safest house on the street. I bet that its football spirit is raging inside. This thief is a bit too cute. Should give him more. Surprising itself is truly another level of senseless. What is this? Isn't it supposed to be on a pen? Oh my, our comedians have been pretty tired today. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next episode.